In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a super fast and easy warm-up rice pack that is completely no-sew, and you can have it done in less than 5 minutes. Hi, my name is Anna, and welcome to Fun Sock Creations. I want you to watch this tutorial, but stay tuned till the very end because I've got a really special announcement for you and a special guest, so don't miss out on that. You'll need the following supplies. Head on over to funsockcity.com for all your sock needs, including the ones you'll need for this project. All you have to do is take one sock. A funnel will make this a lot easier and a lot faster. So put that funnel right into the opening of the sock. Then just pour your rice in. Oh, you have to stop every now and then to push things down, depending on how full you want it, but I like to have mine nice and full. And depending on how big your sock is, that will determine how much rice you need. And once you're to your desired fullness, just tie this end in a knot. Then just heat it up in the microwave for 1 minute intervals, or maybe even less depending on the strength of your microwave. And just wiggle it around. After you've heated it, make sure it's to the right temperature. You don't want to overcook it because that'll make the rice get gross. Alright guys, I told you I had an announcement at the end of this video, and Nora is here with me. She's part of the announcement. I've chosen at this time in my life to kind of step away from the YouTube channel. I'm so grateful to Sock City and having me be a part of this, and I'm grateful to you in supporting me in this. And I want to introduce Nora.
Hey guys, my name is Nora. I'm actually a college student and I'm from North Carolina, but I'm super excited to be on the channel. I'm creative, and I actually used to have a YouTube channel when I was about 10, so I'm like really pumped and ready for this.
Thanks so much for your support, and I hope you guys will keep supporting Nora. Thanks, and she'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!